Hi, welcome to the Askpatrick series. Today's question is by Somesh Singh. The question is how not to panic during the mock. So a lot of time we panic in the mock, and because of that we cannot solve a lot of questions. We can solve in the practice sessions, but in the mock we're not able to solve because too stressed, too panicked. And I mean, one way to go about trying to do well in the mock is to panic less or to have less stress. So I'll talk about a few ways where you can maybe reduce your stress levels during the exam. One, we normally panic in the exam because we feel that the mock is very important or the exam we're writing is very important and it'll make or break. Second is first is try to reduce the importance of the test or the exam. One way you can do that is maybe think of it as only a mock. The mock scores are not going to make a big difference to you. So as long as you think of it as a mock, that should hopefully help you to reduce your stress levels. There's no major correlation between the mock scores and the actual cat. There is some correlation, but I've seen so many students having low mock scores and still having high cat and vice versa. So try to make the mock scores less important. One more way of doing that is maybe experimenting in the mocks. Try to experiment a lot. That will change your focus from purely marks oriented to learning from your experimentation. So experimenting different strategies, different ways will help you to, not worry too much about the marks, but to more worry whether your strategy is working or not working. Let your scores go down in some of the mocks, and the experiment will help you to maybe reduce your panic level. Third, maybe you can learn to meditate during the mock. I normally tell people to learn, meditating for 15 seconds, 15-20 seconds. You can close your eyes, breathe, make do deep breathing as far as possible and learn to relax in 15 seconds time, and you can do that. The moment you learn that, so whenever you are stressed or whenever you feel panicky, try to relax yourself, take a small break, and then come back and write the more. It should help. It does help in trying to improve your scores. Definitely reduction of stress will definitely help you to score better in the examination, and one way you can focus on trying to do that is by these different methods, either maybe experimenting a lot, making the mock less important, or maybe just meditating in between the mocks. That should hopefully help you with regards to the scores. Thank you.